How can homeowners tell if roof damage might be covered by insurance? Many homeowners assume any roof problem is automatically covered, but that is not always the case. How homeowners can tell if roof damage might be covered by insurance depends on what caused the damage and the details of their policy. In many cases, damage caused by sudden events like storms, wind, or falling debris may qualify for coverage, while issues caused by age, wear, or lack of maintenance may not. The best first step is to review your policy and speak directly with your insurance provider. After severe weather in Ridgefield, many homeowners choose to schedule a professional roof inspection to check for missing shingles, leaks, debris impact, or other signs of possible storm damage before speaking with their insurance company. If you're concerned about possible storm damage or need help with roof installation, contact Mighty Dog Roofing of Fairfield County to schedule a professional roof inspection.